Example number 3 for solving word problem proportions. Mike was able to travel 297 miles with 11 gallons of gas. How far can he travel with 25 gallons of gas? So I want to set up my proportion here. I'm going to go gallons to miles. As I read through here, it says Mike was able to travel 297 miles with 11 gallons of gas. So I'll go 11 over 297. Now you could set this up as miles to gallons as long as you're consistent. I chose to go with gallons to miles, so I'm going to be stuck with that now. As I read to the second part, it says how far can he travel with 25 gallons of gas? Gallons is on the top, so I'm going to put my 25 on the top. And just like the previous example, that means my variable will be on the bottom. This time we'll call it W. As we solve this, we look for our common denominator. Our common denominator will be 297W. As I distribute this to the first fraction, the 297s drop out, and so I would be left with 11 and W equaling. As I distribute to the second fraction, the W's could drop out, and that would leave me with 25 times 297. Hopefully you're picking up on this technique. I'm going to divide both sides by 11, and I'll let the calculator do all the work in the very end. And so for this I can say 25 times 297 divided by 11. And this gives me 675. As I look at my proportion, this was telling me that it would be miles, because that's the bottom portion. It's the denominator of my fraction, so I know it's in miles. And there's your final answer. Example number 3.